the tea. Y'all, this is like the Krabby Patty formula. I'm about to spill all of my secrets, all the tea. Y'all, this is like the Krabby Patty formula, okay? My wash day routine is a very critical part of my hair growth. My hair has not always been like this, and everybody always asks me, how did you get your hair to grow? Well, honey, stay tuned for this video, okay? I already combed out my hair, so now I'm about to rinse my hair with warm water, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. So we going right in with the shampoo. I don't like to use a lot of shampoo, so I just get about this much and then work it all through my hair. Just try to get it everywhere. And I'm going in with my fingertips. It feels so good because I always got in braids or some type of weave, so I love being able to touch my scalp. And you want to massage it. Try not to scratch it, even though it feels really good. So then I like to use my shampoo brush, and my shampoo brush feels so good. It feels like a scratch, like it feels like somebody's scratching it, but it's not scratching it at all. And it gets your hair super clean. Like, I've been using it so long, I cannot wash my hair without it. It gets your scalp so clean, and it vibrates too. Sometimes I don't turn it on, but yes, this does me justice. I wash my hair like no more than 3 times a month, so usually twice a month. So just getting it up in there, having fun. You know, you gotta have fun when you're dealing with natural hair because it can get overwhelming. Like, you're like, oh my God. But yeah, just have fun, play some music, do what you gotta do. So we're gonna repeat the same steps again with a little less shampoo. And you could probably wash your hair once, but I wash my hair twice because I always have in braids, and my routine is like, this is my routine. I don't feel right washing it once. I won't feel right. I gotta wash it twice for some reason. But shampoo does strip the moisture from your hair. So if you could wash your hair just one time and be good, do that. I think that'd be a really smart idea. So yep, we just getting it up in there, repeating the same exact steps. This is where the magic happens, y'all. Every single time I wash my hair, I gotta do this. This is the formula right here. We about to get into it. So we're gonna take a good amount of conditioner, and we're not gonna measure nothing. We're not baking a cake. We just gonna eyeball it. And I'm gonna take some honey, good amount. My hair really likes this, y'all. I've been using these exact ingredients, or whatever you want to call them, products, for about 3 years. And this is olive oil. And my hair really likes it. And what I mean by that is just try different mixtures. You could buy a deep conditioner at the store if you want to, and see how your hair reacts to it. So my hair, when I put this in my hair, it goes on very smoothly. It detangles my hair. It really moisturizes it. It makes my hair stronger, so my hair doesn't break off as easy. So my hair really likes this mixture. My hair was like, ooh, Agia, I like this. I was like, yeah, hair, I like it too. So you just try different things until your hair just know what's up. You know what I mean? Like, you gonna know. Like, when it's the one, you gonna know. So just keep playing around with the mixture till it's a good thick paste. You don't want it all runny and stuff, especially if your hair is thick. So yes, keep playing around with the mixture till you get it at a nice pace. So now this process can get pretty messy. It does get messy. It does get messy. So I'm really generous with this stuff. I don't never run out. I just been making it so long that I just know how much to make for my hair. And you see it's going on pretty nicely, you know. Yes, it's going on pretty nicely. And I usually can't just detangle my hair with my fingers like that, but when I put my deep conditioner on, I can detangle with my fingers like that first. And then I go in with the wide tooth comb, and we just gonna work it up in there. My hair really loves this. It makes your hair stronger. And I'm gonna make a whole video about that too. Like, just take care of your hair, y'all. The same people always ask me, how do you grow your hair? And I take care of it like the same way you take care of your skin, the same way you take care of your hygiene. You're consistent with your routine. So you just want to do that with your hair, you know. There's one thing I don't play about is my hair. So I'm twisting it up, and this is taking too long. That's better. So we got it all twisted up. This right here is castor oil and olive oil mixed. It's something new I'm trying. I've only been doing it for like 2 months. And I'm doing this to try to thicken up my edges. And I haven't seen any results yet, but I will keep trying because this does take time. Just be consistent. And if I don't see results by like the end of the year, then I'll change it up. So I'm tying it at the top of my head because I feel like that's where the most heat is. I don't want my twist on the perimeter of my head. So we're going to get the plastic cap, and you can use like a plastic bag or anything. That's just the conditioning cap. So we're going to get the bonnet dryer. And this is something I just got about a year ago. So like I said, I've been deep conditioning my hair for a really long time. So before I got my bonnet dryer, I would put on 2 hats. Like I would just get like 2 winter hats. Y'all know what I'm talking about? And put them on, and that like generates heat, and it works really well. It works really well. But I ended up getting me a bonnet dryer, and I sit under this bonnet dryer for about 15 minutes on the low setting. And I usually just sit down, chill on Instagram or something. Right now, I'm definitely doing the most. I must have thought this was funny. But yes, we're going to sit under this for about 15 minutes and then rinse with cold water. And rinse thoroughly, okay? So I'm distracting myself. I'm going to catch y'all when I rinse this out. So we getting ready to blow dry, and like I said, make sure you rinse thoroughly, because one time I was rushing because I had a client, so I didn't rinse it out all the way, and my hair was sticking together. It hurt, and it was a disaster. And the worst part about that is my client did not show up. I was so mad. So yes, make sure you rinse it out good with cold water. Now, this is a new leave-in conditioner I'm trying, y'all. I haven't found me a solid leave-in conditioner that my hair really likes. So I'm still trying to try different things. And yeah, so we're going to spray this up in there, get a good amount. I think this is an important part of this process. So I really need to find me one that I really like. And the thing I really like about this heat protectant right here is that you can spray half the bottle on one section if you wanted to, and your hair would not be weighed down. It would not be stiff or anything. You know, some heat protectants you can't put a lot. So that heat protectant that I have, I highly recommend. So we're going to use the tension method. And I used to not even like this method because I thought it did not work, because I wasn't being patient enough with it. Like right now, I'm moving my blow dryer too much. Like, just chill. Don't be like me. Just chill. So we gonna blow dry it out real nice. I tried the Demon brush method and I was not very comfortable with it. I heard that the Demon brush gets the roots straighter and that's what the professionals use, but I guess I'm just more comfortable with the comb. I don't know, probably because I'm used to the comb maybe. I don't know, but yeah, see what you comfortable with, y'all. That's very important. You want to be consistent with this. You want to do the same exact thing, you will see results. So right now, the leave-in conditioner is cool. It's not all that. So yes, if y'all have anything to ask, anything I left out, let me know in the comments. Ask me any question. I'm just gonna let y'all watch me blow dry this. Alright, y'all, I took a shower, and yeah, like when I get done blow drying this side of my hair, I'll do that, and then I do it to the next side and I get in the shower. So y'all wasn't about to mess up my routine now. So we about to close out this video, and it's much more to my hair growth than my wash routine, but my wash routine is like 70% of it is like very important. So the leave-in conditioner was not all that. I was better off with my other one, so I'm still trying to find a leave-in conditioner product that's like the one. But all my other products, yeah, I've been using for a long time. So that is my routine, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy. I might do a video like tips and tricks on how to, like, you know, be like me. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, so if you got any questions, like anything that I missed, leave me a comment and go ahead and ask, and I will answer that. And I don't like this outro. I don't. I feel like it's something missing. This outro is so lame. Yeah, so like this video, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Let's go. You know it's baby, nigga.